Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we'll show you how to create your first project. To create a new project, click on the New Project button on your dashboard page. At the top, you'll see 3 tabs to fill in the relevant information: Project Data, Client Data, and Project Team. Under the Project Data tab, fill in your project details, project address, and general information, like country, currency, and tax. Include the relevant dates for your project under the Program section so that the necessary durations are calculated. Under Client Data, enter the client's personal details, company details, and address information here, then click Save. You can also search for existing clients you've previously added to Costblok. Finally, in the Project Team tab, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. Internal team members will have the same permissions as you to make changes to the project. External project team members will have more limited access permissions. You've successfully created your first project on Costblok. In the next tutorial, we'll dive into using the Feasibility Builder. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.